Hello everyone, welcome to Zexus development. In this video, we are going to install a Pharmacy MLO into our FiveM server. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is MLO which you are going to install into a FiveM server. I'll put the link in the description below. You just need to click over here and download the MLO. After downloading it, we just need to extract the file into our FiveM resource folder. So I'll be extracting it over here. Just like this. So that's it for the installation part. Now let's start the server. So we are in a server now, and over here this is a Pharmacy MLO which we just installed, as you can see, and this is the location in the map of the pharmacy over here. So let's get inside the pharmacy. So from inside it will look like this, as you can see. There are lots of medicines, bottles, equipments, everything is placed over here. This is a consultation room over here, and this is the storage room. So yes guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.